So this is the audio on my screensaver, which I don't think people know about. And I think for a demonstration aid, this is very useful. I'm just going to show it to you now. As you can see, the strong wind sign's coming up. The drone's keeping a nice straight line, which is what I love about this type of drone. Guys, if you're thinking about buying a drone for Christmas, this is a drone to get. So that's just the demonstration I did with the DJI Mic, and just to show you the setup of the DJI Mic, this is what you get. Now the DJI Mic's been out for just over a year now, and with the latest software, as soon as I pull out one of these mics, it self-records. But don't forget, guys, it's actually recording on your screensaver as well. It's not recording obviously on your drone footage, but it's recording actually on your screensaver. So just remember that. So if I take that mic out, it will go red. So that's already recording. So for some reason, maybe the screensaver didn't save. It's always going to be on there, the audio. So that's one thing I want to show you. Now this is the receiver. Now at the moment, I need to change this is for my iPhone. I want to change to the USB because that's a fiddly thing. So in there, I'm going to change that over. That's on there. Now what we got to do, guys, is if you turn underneath the controller here, it's a bit of a fiddle, but you got the USB connection there, the USB people. But what you got to do, you have to have it facing underneath, so it won't fit in. So you just push it in, and that audio is all ready to go. So I can go out recording now. Put that back in there, put that away, take that off, put that back in there. And what's good about this DJI Mic, it's charging. It's already been charged up, because as soon as I open it up, it's still fully charged. It's already charged the mic and the receiver, and it tells you on the top there how long you got left. Because it's blowing a bit of a gale today, so this is going to be a good test. Now you might be thinking, why would you need to connect a mic to your RC screen when what I'm doing at the moment is I've got my Pocket 2 camera, I've got the mic on the strap here, perfect, isn't it? But the only problem with this is I've always got to be facing the camera, even if I'm walking from a distance, because as soon as I turn my back from a distance, you're not going to hear me. So with the DJI Mic that's been out for over a year now, it's had a new update during May of this year. So as soon as you take the mic out of its box, it starts recording, and the recording's on this and not so much on your camera. So just in case your camera did miss it, it's always saved on your DJI Mic. But you can connect this to your RC screen, which I think is a bonus for us guys that are making these videos, because sometimes there are times when you've got to a bit of a distance and you might be behind a building or something, but you can still hear me. So what I'm going to do for the first one, I'm going to get the drone up. We'll do it normally as I would do it on my Pocket 2. I'll walk down this track here for a while and just see as soon as you can't hear me anymore. And just hope the wind's not going to be a problem. So let's get on with it. Now you should be able to hear me still. Now I don't know how long that I can keep talking. I'm going to keep saying we're walking down. I'm going to go towards the building, and we're just going to see how well this mic, the normal mic I should say, that I'm using from my DJI Pocket 2, very good camera, has got a good distance, but obviously if I've got my back to the camera that's back there, then it's not going to be. Just go up to the side. Hopefully you can hear me now, but I don't know if you heard me when I'm back to you. So I'm going to walk back to the camera and we do with the DJI Mic, which will be connected to the controller, and we'll just see what the difference is. I think you'll be surprised, even in this frigging wind. Now I've got on the DJI Mic, which is this one here, and I've got the other one. What I'm going to do now is we're still recording. Yeah. So the drone's landed. We could do the second demo now, but this time we're going to use a DJI Mic, which is attached to the controller. I'm going to take, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the Pocket 2 mic, which is this one here. So that's turned off now. I'll put that in my pocket so don't forget about it. So what I've done now is I've attached the DJI Mic to the bottom of the controller in the USB port. I've got the mic on, it's recording. We get the drone back off, and you can see what I mean about when I'm walking back down towards that track. So hopefully the drone will cope with this wind. Okay. Now what you won't hear, guys, is whatever's going on the controller. That's the only thing it won't happen, you won't hear. So I'm going to get in place again. So I've got my back to the camera at the moment. I'm just going to get the, okay, I'm not going to go too far. Let's bring that drone down a little bit. It's not coping very well with the wind. Okay, bring it up. Okay, draw the box around me. I've got the active track on. I've got trace on. I've got record on with the drone footage. As you can see already, the strong winds have come up. Now I've got my back to that camera now. I'm still cool. Now hopefully, because we're coming along that building, that will disappear. As you can see, the strong wind sign's coming up. The drone's keeping a nice straight line, which is what I love about this type of drone. Guys, if you're thinking about buying a drone for Christmas, this is a drone to get. It can do so much. You can watch films on your screen. You can watch YouTube, Facebook. You can put up videos through your RC controller if you use your phone as a hot point. There's so many things that you can do. Now I'm going to walk on a little bit further this time because I just want to show you how I think you'd be knocked away with this mic, because you've not, those mics that are normally with your Pocket 2, they haven't got a good distance, but because you've got your back, now I could go behind that building if I wanted to. I'm not, because I can't get up there. But that just gives you an idea. Okay, the drone's stopped now. So I'm hoping that's giving you an idea. I'm just going to stop the video footage. Okay, I'm going to bring that drone down a little bit and stop the active track now. Okay. Now, put on that video footage a minute. The drone's just gone past my head. Let's put that round there. Let's bring that around. Okay. I'm just going to stop it there a minute. Could put the box around me. Okay, active track. Go. Okay, active track's on now. Now I'm going to have the drone coming back behind me now. Hopefully it's not going to get blown into the fence there. I have got a lot of faith in this drone. I mean, honestly, guys, it's probably picking it up on the mic now, thinking about it. It's blowing a bloody gale. Okay. I can't believe how strong that wind's picked up. I mean, this just shows you how amazing this drone is. For such a little drone, it can go in these sort of strong winds. Now, it's probably, no doubt, picking up on that mic there. So I might have to do this again if it's just too, what's the word for it? You can't hear it properly. So, this is going to be an interesting video because I can't hear nothing until I get back to my studio. I didn't think it would be this strong, the wind. So I'm just going to come back to the camera. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the drone down and we'll have a chat. Okay, I've still got the what do you call it now, like an amplifier, the receiver. I've still got the receiver at the bottom of the controller at the moment because I'm still speaking to you, because I'm speaking to you on the DJI Mic. Now hopefully if you watch this video it sounded okay and it's all fine, but if it's not, then I'm gonna have to come out again on another day. I can't believe we're mid-November, temperatures here in Spain are 26, amazing. But we got some rains coming in, so I wanted to push this video out now and not later really. But anyway, as always guys, if you found it interesting, get the thumbs up. If you didn't find it interesting, get the thumbs down. I'll catch you on another video, and as always, safe flying, and I'll catch you on the next one.